Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about brandkit. Brandkit is a place to save all of your marketing assets, your logos, your designs, your fonts, and any other materials you use so you can deliver what your brand promises consistently across all platforms. Good design is the hallmark of any successful brand, and each brand is unique and has its own marketing style. Brandkit is a resource that goes through all of the details of your brand identity. Simplified's brandkit will streamline your behind-the-scenes marketing. Let's get into it. Simplified provides users with templates, which is a rundown of the basic assets that every brand needs to succeed. The following is a list of what you'll need to put together to get started. You'll need a logo. You'll need to choose a font, branded images, and a color scheme. While you could get by just fine without personalization, it's so much easier to have all your assets in one place when you need them. Brandkit offers error-free communication. You can give your teammates access to your brandkit on Simplified to make sure everyone uses the same marketing collateral. Consistency. When your teammates can access the elements of your brand identity in one resource, no matter where they are, this ensures that the message that you're trying to convey through the visual assets stays consistent. Time management. All you have to do is share the Simplified link with your team, and this will save the hassle of downloading each visual asset one by one. So now that you know what a brandkit is, let's put one together. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to toggle the side toolbar. We're going to go to brandkits, and then we're going to go to the bottom and add brandkit. Here, you can edit the name to personalize your project. You can add your brand logos by uploading or dragging and dropping media here. And here you can upload fonts that are essential to your brand identity. And here is where you can create a color palette specific to your brand. And that's it. Now you can invite your teammates to share this information by clicking on the top right-hand corner and inviting them to the brandkit. And that's all. Now you can share with your teammates. Scale your brand by managing your brand identity, all on Simplified. See you there.